Origin and synthesis. Fentanyl is synthetic opioid first synthesized in 1960 by Dr. Paul Janssen, the founder of Janssen Pharmaceuticals. It was originally created for medical use as a potent painkiller for patients undergoing major surgery or those dealing with severe chronic pain. Fentanyl is much more potent than morphine, about 100 times stronger, and heroin about 50 times stronger. It is classified as a Schedule II controlled substance in many countries, including the United States and the Philippines, due to its high potential for abuse and overdose risk. Illicit fentanyl in recent years. Fentanyl has increasingly been found in illicit drug markets, often mixed with heroin, counterfeit prescription pills, and other street drugs, leading to a surge in overdose deaths. Number 2. Chemical composition. Chemical formula: C22H28N20. Fentanyl belongs to a class of drugs known as synthetic opioids. It binds to opioid receptors in the brain and spinal cord to produce pain-relieving and euphoric effects. Pharmaceutical fentanyl is typically formulated in patches, lozenges, or injectable forms for controlled medical use. However, illicit fentanyl is often found as a powder or mixed with other drugs, making it difficult for users to know how much fentanyl they are ingesting.
Number 3. Effects on the body. Short-term effects when used as prescribed for pain management. Pain relief. Fentanyl is a highly effective in managing severe pain. Euphoria. As a potent opioid, fentanyl produces feelings of intense euphoria and relaxation, which contributes to its abuse potential. Respiratory depression. This is a key side effects of the opioids, including fentanyl. It slows breathing and can lead to fatal overdose if the dose is too high. Short-term effects when abused. Sedation. Users may experience drowsiness or inoding of effects. Constrictions of pupils, a common sign of opioids use. Euphoria. This is often what leads to repeated use or abuse, but it also increases the risk of addictions. Nausea and vomiting, a common side effects of opioids use, particularly at high dose. Long-term effects. Addiction and dependence. As with other opioids, fentanyl is a high potential for addiction. Chronic use can lead to tolerance, requiring more of the drug to achieve the same effects in physical dependence. Overdose. Fentanyl is as potent that even a small amount can lead to a fatal overdose, especially when mixed with other substances like heroin or cocaine. Respiratory failure. Chronic or high dose use can lead to a fatal respiratory depression. Cognitive and emotional effects. Long-term abuse can impair decisions making, memory, and mood regulations.
Number 4. Special features and risks. Extreme potency. Fentanyl is extremely potent, and it only takes a very small amount to cause an overdose. Just 2 milligrams, or about the size of a grain of salt, can be lethal, depending on the person's tolerance. Mixing with other drugs. One of the most significant risks of fentanyl is that it is often mixed with other drugs, including heroin and cocaine. Without the user's knowledge, this increases the risk of overdose, as users may not be aware that they are ingesting fentanyl. Counterfeit prescription pills. Fentanyl is often pressed into counterfeit prescription pills that look like common painkillers or anti-anxiety medications like Oxycodone, Percocet, or Xanax. Many people unknowingly ingest fentanyl through these fake pills, leading to unintentional overdoses. Lethal overdose risk. Fentanyl is a major driver of the opioid overdose crisis. particularly in North America. Due to its potency, users who are not accustomed to opioids are at a high risk of dying from accidental overdose. Number 5. Legal status. In the Philippines, fentanyl is classified as a dangerous drug under the Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002, and its production, distribution, and use are highly restricted. In United States, fentanyl is classified as a Schedule II controlled substance under the Controlled Substance Act, which means it is available legally for medical use but is illegal to manufacture or distribute without proper authorization. In global situation, fentanyl is subject to strict controls in most countries because of its high potential for abuse and overdose.
Number 6. Signs of fentanyl overdose. Fentanyl overdoses can be life-threatening and require immediate medical attention. Signs of overdose include slow or difficulty breathing, often the most dangerous symptoms. Unconsciousness, users may become unresponsive or unable to wake up. Pinpoint pupils, a common signs of opioid overdose. Blue or purple tint to lips or fingernails due to lack of oxygen. Loss of motor control. Difficulty walking, speaking, or staying upright. Number 7. Treatment and response to overdose. Naloxone or Narcan. These opioid antagonists can rapidly reverse the effect of opioid overdose, including fentanyl overdose. However, because fentanyl is so potent, multiple doses of naloxone may be required or to reverse the effect. Emergency Medical Services or EMS. If fentanyl overdose is suspected, it is critical to call emergency medical help immediately. Detox and rehabilitation. Long-term treatment for fentanyl addiction typically involves medical detoxification, therapy, and support groups. Methadone or buprenorphine may be used to help manage withdrawal symptoms.